If you're shopping with Norwex in February, we have some of the best spend and save deals happening, which means you can unlock certain products at very special pricing when your cart hits a specific total. These are great ways to build your Norwex collection while saving loads of money, and they will automatically appear in your cart once you hit that spend threshold. So I'm going to tell you about them real quick. The first one we have is our Protect and Prevent Mineral Daily Facial Sunscreen. I love this sunscreen. I use it every single day. This is very lightweight. It's a mineral SPF 30 facial sunscreen. It's designed for everyday use. Even on cloudy days, I wear it because it protects our skin against UVA, UVB rays, blue light, pollution, and it really layers beautifully under makeup or just worn alone. Now, normally this is $45.99, but you can add it to your cart for only 10 bucks when you spend 99 or more. Man, that is a huge savings on something that most of us use daily or need to use daily. Now, next we have the Volumizing Dry Shampoo. This is an aerosol-free dry shampoo. It refreshes our roots, absorbs oils, and adds volume without stripping our scalp. It's a wonderful plant-based, very long-lasting. One of these will last me like 6 months, and it is one of my favorites just for extending the time between my washes. Who has time for a wash day every day? Now, normally this is $45.99, but it's only 10 bucks when you spend $125 or more. Such an easy way to try a great product at a deep discount. Now, last but not least, we have this beautiful cherry blossom. I'm going to open it up just to show you. Cherry blossom Optic scarf. This is a look how beautiful, super soft microfiber that cleans our glasses, sunglasses, phone screens, tablets, even my laptop screen. No sprays, no wipes, no liquid needed. You can clip it right on your bag because it's just so beautiful, or you can take it off the clip. Now, normally these are $20.99, but you can add it this month for only 15 bucks when you spend $175 or more. And this cherry blossom print is probably my favorite we've ever had. It is a limited edition, so only available this month on Spend and Save. So here's a bonus option for you. If you hit 175 spend level, you can actually add all 3 of these spend and save items for only $35, which is such a great way to maximize our savings when we're getting our Norwex. Spend and save items automatically will show up in your cart once your cart hits the qualifying amount. And it's really one of my favorite ways to slowly build up your Norwex collection while saving loads of money. And at checkout, you'll see a little box that says offers. You can click that box and see if you've qualified for any of them. And you can also see how far away you are. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you soon.